Bluetooth speakers, the favorite devices of 12-year-olds and gangsters everywhere in the world for listening music at high volumes in public. Bluetooth speakers are also enjoyed by normal people. So today I present to you the JBL GO2 Bluetooth speaker. If you're a DankPods fan, you know that DankPods has also reviewed the JBL GO2. He said that basically this thing is a little bit better than a phone speaker. So don't expect the best quality, but these things are very cheap. I bought this for like 20 US dollars, something like that, 15-20 US dollars. Let's look at the package first. So it says JBL by Harman Bluetooth, and it is advertised that it has a 5-hour battery life, 5 hours of playtime, IPX7 waterproofing. All right, and speakerphone. Right. So now let's unbox the JBL GO2. Let me get my scissors. Come on. Oh, not this. It has a crappy plastic thing right here. Come on, get up. All right, I did it. Damn, so much plastic in here. I bet Planet Earth is screaming right now due to the amount of plastic in this thing. All right. Crappy plastic stuff. Oh, alright, so this is our speaker, but let's put it aside for a little bit and see what else we get in here. So here must be some accessories, if I am correct. Oh yeah, a very long charging cable, USB-A to USB mini charging cable. I like that it's orange. Good combination, and some wow, instructions that nobody reads. All right, let's put this aside. Now let's focus on the speaker. So as you can see, it's quite tiny. I mean, look, it fits in my palm quite well. It fits in my palm quite well. I like the blue, and it has like a rubberized plasticky surface, which looks cool, to be honest. And JBL logo here on the back and on the front. Nothing down here. And up you have some buttons. I think this is to turn it on, Bluetooth, volumes, and play pause. Alright, and here you have some ports, I guess. Yep, you have a mini USB port and an aux port, so you can connect this to iPods Classic or devices that have the headphone jack, not iPhones, haha. Yeah, thanks Apple. But you can connect this to the iPod Touch or the iPod Classic or the iPod Mini or yeah, basically every iPod. Or of course other phones or devices, electronic devices. Now let's test the music quality on the JBL GO2. Because I'm filming with my iPhone SE 2020, I'm gonna connect this to my iPhone 4S. So let's connect this. Now Bluetooth, alright. And let's see if this turns on. Okay, so it turned on with very interesting sound. Let's let my iPhone search it. Come on boy, come on. Find the speaker, come on, you can do it. Come on, no, not this one. My boy, come on, do it again. Alright, so my boy has found the speaker, so let's connect to it. Alright, it's connected. So, as usual, let's play Scarlet Fire. thing vibrated a lot. I mean, it vibrated. You could feel the vibration if you play Scarlet Fire on full volume on this thing. And it started to smell, you know, that Chinese electronic smell, if you know what I mean. Alright, so now let's play Scarlet Fire on to see, to compare the sound quality. I'm gonna play Scarlet Fire on another Bluetooth speaker of mine, which has a really, you know, funny name. It has the name of an expired meme, haha.
Okay, Boomer.
Obviously, you can hear this thing is much better, but of course, it's much bigger, it has a bigger battery. So the next thing that I wanted to see on this, you know, the next thing that I wanted to see on the JBL GO2 is, it says that it has IPX7 waterproofing, so you know what we're gonna do next. Okay, so you can see the water just dripping out of it. Yeah, it can play underwater when it turns off. Let's run it out. So at max volume, it doesn't stop underwater. So yeah, it has water. So in conclusion, is the JBL GO2 worth it? Should you buy it? Well, I guess if you want a cheap speaker, go for it. But otherwise, there are much better options for a little bit more money, which are much better for music quality and all that stuff. But I guess if you want a small speaker for work or, you know, stuff like that, I think it's worth it. So this was my review of the JBL GO2. I hope you enjoyed it. I'll see you guys next time. Peace.